Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look at another built-in function from Python, and it is going to be POW, and I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to figure out what, I didn't want that over there, what POW does. Alright, POW is power. So you're going to give it, it expects two arguments. It has an optional third. And here, okay, equivalent to x to the power of y. So y is the exponent. And then if you want to use a third, it is the equivalent of x to the power of y modulo z, your third argument. So, alright, the reason why we're doing this is because next video we're going to utilize this, and I realized we had not even looked at power yet. So, okay, so let's just do, let's get that out of the way so you can see. X return our x, then boom. Square. There we are. So that is that. It is that clean, that simple, that easy. Real quick video for today. If you're stumbling across this and you're new here, we have videos coming out all the time, so make sure you're subscribing and hit the notification bell. We have a ton of awesome micro videos. Actually, one of my subscribers helped coin that phrase, so props to them. That's what we do here. One subject at a time, maybe two, but absolutely no more than two. So, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button for me, and if you've not subscribed, that subscribe button, the notification bell. And as always, thanks again for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.